In this video, we are going to talk about section 9.1, which has to do with perimeter. So we're going to talk about how we find the perimeter of a polygon. Now, the word polygon, it actually means, poly means many, and gon represents side. So it's a many-sided figure, so a geometric figure that has 3 or more sides. So that's where polygon comes from. And perimeter, the perimeter of a polygon is the distance around the outside. So we have to sum all of the sides together. So we're going to add up all those sides in order to figure out the perimeter of the polygon. And so what I'm looking at here with this rectangle is I have to figure out if I start here and I were to walk all the way around the outside of this polygon, what would the total distance be? Okay, well, what is the length of this first side? Well, that's 8 centimeters. And this side is 3 centimeters. And this side, well, that's another 8 centimeters. And this last side, well, that's 3 centimeters. So if I just go ahead and add it all up, 8 plus 3, that's 11, plus 8, we're up to 19, plus 3 more is 22. So my total perimeter is 22. And then don't forget your units. This is centimeters. Okay? Let's take a look at this triangle. We've got 3 sides. We're going to add them all up. So if I want to know my perimeter, let's say I start here. I go down this side. How far is that? Well, it's 4.5. This side here, well, that's going to be 17. And then this last side here, that's 15. So I'm going to add those all together. And you can just add them up. And what you get is a total of 36.5. Don't forget your units, and it's in inches here. Now let's look at this figure, this polygon. It's a quadrilateral, but it's not a specific quadrilateral like a rectangle or a square or a parallelogram. But that doesn't matter. We're still going to figure out how we find the perimeter. So again, we just go around all of the outside edges. So this one is 4, plus this is 7.1, plus 3.2, plus the last side, which is also 4. So go ahead and just add those up. And what you should get is a total of 18.3. And what's my units here? That's right, it's feet. You will want to make sure that whenever you're calculating the perimeter of a figure, that all of the units are the same. Okay, inches, 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 or feet, 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 feet. If you had some that were in inches and some that were in feet, you would need to convert so that you'd have all of the same units before you started adding them together. Okay, let's take a look at this last figure. It's kind of funny shaped, but we can do it. So let's go down from here. That's 11 plus 10 plus 5 and another 5. So plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 along here, and then plus 9, and that's my last side. Okay, add it all together, and what do you get? That's right, you get a total of 48, and what are my units? Don't forget them, they're very important. Centimeters. Okay, that's how we find the perimeter of a polygon. We'll see you in the next video.